Hello, my name is Sudrajat. I'm going to show you the basic operation of dynamic mathematics software called a GeoGebra. This is the review what you've learned in the GeoGebra interface section. I believe that you have read it. Have you? Okay, first of all, this is menu bars containing standard menus that can be found in the most applications such as Microsoft Office 2003. There's a file menu for operation and manipulation files, and there's also a Windows menu for changing from one Windows to another Windows in the same application. This menu bar can also be used for customizing the GeoGebra workspace. For example, we want to hide also the spreadsheet view, we can use this menu. Or we want to change the representation of points from bullets to another shape, for example diamond, we can use this menu, diamond. Can change it again, bullet. And then the next one is toolbar. This is the toolbar. Toolbar is a group of tools that can be used for constructing geometry shape by mouse clicking. For example, simple one, we want to create a new point, we can use this tool and then we click in the graphical view. This is the graphical view. For example, we click here. But sometimes we need combination of mouse clicking and keyboard typing. For example, we want to create a line segment with a particular length, we can use this tool and then we click the points. There will be a pop-up window for typing the length of the segment. Okay, that's the 2 centimeters. Okay, this is the line segment with 2 centimeter length. The next one is the tool hints. This is the tool hints. So when you click a tools, for example perpendicular line, there will be hint how to use the tools. This tool for perpendicular line, select points and perpendicular line. For example, we first select the points and then we click the line. So there will be perpendicular line with this procedure. Okay, let's move to the next one. This is the algebra view. In this area, you will see the algebra representation of the objects that we have created in the graphical view. For example, point A, it has -2 for x-axis and -2 for y-axis. In the algebra view, we can see in the standard form of points, point A is equal to -2, -2. As you can see, in this algebra view, there are 2 types of objects: free objects and dependent objects. A free object do not depend on any other object. Contrast to the free object, dependent object depend on other object. For example, point F is defined as 2 times of point A. So if point A is -2, -2 is the coordinate, so the point F is -4, -4. Okay, move on to the bottom. This is input bar. It can be used for inputting commands by keyboard typing to produce geometric construction. inputting command is not merely keyboard typing. The command can also be created by combination of typing the command here and then choosing the command from here, choosing variable from here, and choosing function from here. For example, we are going to rotate this triangle named poly1 by rotation angle alpha equal to 60 degrees from the center point C. So what we are going to do is type the name of the object that will be the result of the rotation. For example, poly2, and then we put equal signs for assigning something to the poly1, and then we choose the command from the command list. We choose rotate for rotation. Then we have to type the correct syntax to this function or to these commands. So if we don't know, we can use help, press F1 here. So there is a pop-up window for the syntax. The syntax for the rotation, first we can use object, comma, angel, and the next one is rotate, object, angel, and point. The first one, the center of rotation is from 0.0 or the center of the coordinate, but we want to use the second one because we've got the particular center point. Okay, we will use this one, object, angel, and point. The object is poly1 and rotation angel is alpha, and then the center of rotation is C. That's done. Okay, let's press enter. So this is the rotated object of poly1 named poly2. Okay, the last one is spreadsheet view. This is a spreadsheet view. The basic function of spreadsheet is to perform statistical calculation. Since we will learn about geometric transformation, I'm just going to show you how to produce several points in one time. First of all, we have to put x coordinates in column A and y coordinates in column B. For example, we've got 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4. After we input the x coordinates and y coordinates, then we block the cells and then right click the blocked cells and then choose create list of points. So this is the representation of the cells P1, P2, and P3. Okay, that's all for reviewing the GeoGebra interface. Thank you.